Xiaomi is officially launching the Xiaomi 17, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max later this month, and yes, they're skipping the number 16 to match Apple's naming scheme. But the real buzz today is the fresh leak from China, which revealed the camera setup of the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and it looks seriously impressive. According to the leak, the Xiaomi 17 Pro will come with a 50-megapixel main camera, rocking an f/1.67 aperture, which should deliver brighter and sharper low-light shots. On top of that, there's a telephoto camera with f/3 aperture and a 115mm focal length, meaning you're getting true 5x optical zoom, not just digital trickery. And for those wide shots? Xiaomi is equipping the Pro with an ultra-wide camera at 17mm focal length. Of course, all of this is Leica branded, continuing Xiaomi's premium photography partnership. But here's where it gets interesting: the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max won't share the same setup. Unlike Apple, Xiaomi is actually giving the Pro Max unique hardware, not just a bigger screen and battery. Speaking of displays, the 17 Pro is rumored to pack a 6.3-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate for super smooth performance. The standard Xiaomi 17 is expected to be the same size, but with a slightly downgraded camera system. So the big question is, with this specs, will the Xiaomi 17 Pro finally challenge the iPhone 17 Pro in photography? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.